Simple.
So far, ama results athini, and what is your plan for these people that you are fighting for? Nina, as a movement, what are you doing for them, Nina? Besides just marching and shouting abahambe, are you guys
What is
empowering
the
these people?
plan? What is the plan?
My question is
do you have
simple.
like any
Ayidingele
funding?
nale.
Huh? Are
Ayidingele.
you gonna like
Just
offer
leave
them
us.
training
Yes. Are you training
for
them?
for running all those businesses? Angithi bheka, angithi manje mozokhipha umuntu esalon. Mozokhipha umuntu esalon Brutus. Kumele nifake abantu who knows abanama skills to
Yes.
handle that same salon. You know, mansusa umuntu osebenzayo ku factory, maybe they are doing woodwork lapha, and you'll have to bring South Africans that are skilled. So do you have such, projects lapha within your organization or your civil group, whatever you call it?
My brother,
Yes.
there are measures in place already in certain departments.
Yeah, tell us
You
about
understand?
it.
That's
Get
what I'm
into
asking.
detail.
It
That's what
probably
we want to know. Some of
it,
us, probably a lot of the people that want to join March and March, but they want to know what's in it for them. You understand? They
You
want
know,
to know if they will benefit from saying Abahambe. Does it go beyond saying with Abahambe, or is it Abahambe and then that's it? Nebamatanda hate after that, or Korinto Zwenze after that.
and let me correct another thing here. Lento yokuthi abahambe. My brother, we are not saying abahambe
Pendula
all
umbuzo khohlwa
the
ile nto engishilo
foreigners.
Abahambe.
No, wait.
Khohlwa.
Yeah.
Pendula le question le bese clarify. Khohlwa ile Abahambe.
Okay, fine. Ndithi kuwena, there are already measures in place in the departments whereby they will empower South Africans.
so how
I'm gonna
does that
just make
look like?
I'm gonna
Get
just
into
make
detail. Get into detail. Yeah?
wait. I'm gonna just make one example.
Yep.
Practical one example. My brother, you go each and every township. If you go to these garages and shops, the people that are owning Isbaza shops there, the people that are owners are Pakistanians and Somalians. You understand? And you ask yourself, Ukuti, why each and every township, each and every spaza shop, you don't find a South African who's owning spaza shop. You understand? Our people, they don't have a capital to start their own spaza shops. You understand?
That's
There are
what I'm
measures in
asking,
place.
Jay.
So are you gonna give them She's asking.
Okay.
There
Does it
is.
mean Guti
Okay.
after
For
chasing
that-
the
There
Ethiopians?
is.
Sorry, I will
There
Are you
is
gonna give the
already.
South Africans
Small,
capital?
easily.
Yes,
Oh,
there
my
is
God.
already, my brother. There is already.
Okay, where? Where?
I'm
There
saying
is
we're
already where?
with department of small
Legal
businesses and
answer to
what.
that.
Okay,
I mean,
all
I'm
right.
asking about
Wait.
you as a movement.
Tasfal, we're not Tula. Brutus, you said there is funding already. Okay, can you show us or tell us about one or two spaza shops where you took out a foreigner and you put a South African? Where are those spaza shops?
My sister, yabona ngoku unbuza a question that
Not even
like
a spaza shop, a
no.
corner. A corner where tomato was sold.
Ntokozo unbuza
Is
question.
there someone occupying that
ndakuphendula.
corner?
And
Brutash, para rest.
but
Brutash.
Ntokozo, you are being
Brutash.
unfair. Unbuza
Rest,
question
boy.
ndakuphendula. Unbuza
rest,
ukuthi
boy.
unbuza
No,
ukuthi okay,
rest.
imagine Mama Mela Ntokozo,
rest.
even
No, you
if
didn't
I'm a
answer me.
commenter to
I'm not
rest, boy.
satisfied.
but Ntokozo,
I'm a commenter to stand down,
even
boy.
if
Rest, boy.
Lalela host, even if millions and millions that was even if
You know
we
what?
support
Millions.
even if Tina that we are supporting March and March, we are not stupid that much. We know a purpose ye March and March.
Okay,
And
Okay,
we've already agreed.
Brutus.
You discredit the civil society group for the sake of we discredit her without any reasons.
Okay, khona omunye ngathi uyithembile la ufuna ukungena. Ayicela omunye nangu uProverbs.
Brutus.
Yeah.
give me 5 million. Give me 5 million.
Brutus akusho-ke mntaka baba
So,
njengobani badudula kanjena mntaka baba manje isphetho sethini waphela anibiyele nizobadudula babuye nibadudule babuye iplan ithini-ke lapho-ke nje
the plan
Khona umuntu ofuna ukulekelela uBrutus la.
it's very easy. The plan, my brother
Brutus,
Mamela, it's very
We've
easy
got a
to
support
answer you in
structure. We've
full.
got someone who wants to support you.
Okay. Okay, it's fine. It's
Now,
fine.
now, oh my
Okay, I just
sister.
want to
Yeah.
answer my brother. Only one on the question. My brother, listen here. The only thing that we want as a South Africans, document these people. That's it. They can come and then they must be documented. It's simple as that.
Kanjani document
Kanjani
obani ngoba phela
bazodocument
nje bazodocument obani
document them
kanjani ngoba
now.
anibiyele ku corrupt
I'm
lapha
biased on
kwe-Bothateng.
my platform. Why don't you start your own platform, God? How can you come and tell me that I'm biased
Also,
when I'm many?
Brutus, also,
No,
how do you
but
plan
no,
on
no.
stopping?
My sister, still don't get it up. My
kanjani
sister,
yabona
like
ke
Proverbs.
siza